In this lesson, we will be discussing the AND function block. The student is expected to learn how the function block works. The logic flow is from left to right, which will start with the input, the logic solve, and then the output. Looking at the truth table, output is a logic true if in01 and in02 are both logic true. Now, we go live with our PLC and simulate the inputs, and then we observe the output and confirm with the truth table. If we set in01 and in02 to logic true, the output is a logic true. To recap, output is a logic true if in01 and in02 are both logic true.